This one is Satay Bojot.
Satay Bojot. My name is Bojot.
This guy is the Satay Bojot. And it's in a very beautiful location. It's in a kampung in Sarawak.
One in Rubok Masin.
Yeah. So basically they sell satay ayam and satay daging.
Satay ayam and satay daging. Oh, tengok. Wow, very nice.
Yeah.
Ayam.
This is sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
His shop is in a very beautiful location.
Yes. Oh, sunset dah. Gunung. You take away or eat here?
So these are the satay ayam and satay daging that is being grilled on charcoal. This is in Kampung Tupong Tengah. See, people are sitting here and eating. It's an amazing
in this
environment here. Just beside the river, it's in a village. This is the paste, not paste.
Paste of the satay.
Paste of satay. The satay are ready. It's looking really delicious. You can see this is the chicken satay. So I put it in the paste. It is looking amazing. Bismillah. It's hot and little bit spicy with full of marination.
Lem. Lembu nak lem.
This is
Beef.
Yeah, beef.
Only RM1, one stick.
Yeah, this is RM1 per stick, and it's really amazing. You can see. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lembut.
It's really delicious. You can try this also. This is called impit. It's sticky rice. So this is the sticky rice. Taking it with this one. Bismillah. It's just rice to eat with this satay. It's very cheap and you can say it's really delicious. And eating in front of this river is like amazing.
This is a lemang. Try in lemang. You know lemang? You try first.
Okay.
Very good. Please.
This one is lemang.
Lemang. You.
This is lemang.
Lemang.
Sticky rice made inside the bamboo.
Yes. No. Dia main lain rebus.
Oh, rebus.
Main rebus dah. Dia new version.
New version. No. Okay.
No in bamboo.
No in bamboo, huh?
You try in satay lah.
Okay. This one is lemang. It's also another type of sticky rice. Bismillah. I put it inside this paste. It's amazing.
Hah? Nani ko? 40.
You can see a lot of satays are here. They have marinated it and then now they are grilling it and putting oil on top of it so that it's
Minyak masak.
very nice, so that it gets grilled very quickly. And basically this area is very beautiful because it's just near the river and it has a continuous breeze. It's fantastic. They are open from 5 PM until 10 p.m. at night.
Yes.
You can see this is the area they are selling it. It's such an amazing one. The taste is also really delicious.